Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Tonight we're making my awesome potato salad. This will be the only potato salad you will ever need. We're going to get straight to it. We don't talk you to death. We're going to boil the potatoes first. This is super simple. Pot of hot water. Add the salt. And you want to make sure that you're heavy on the salt because that's the potatoes are going to absorb whatever's in the water. So that salt will bring some extra flavor. So go ahead and put your salt in. Let your potatoes boil until they are done. You can stick a fork through and make sure that they're tender. And then you want to drain them and then bring it back to the stove. If you want to save yourself some cleanup time, just use the same pot that you boil the potatoes in to mix the potato salad. And then from there, you can put it in whatever bowl you want to. All right, so from here, we're going to use some vinegar. Again, this is to add to the layers of flavor for the potato salad. And the key, you're going to add the vinegar when the potatoes are still hot. That's going to help it soak everything up. And then you just want to give it a nice little spin. Get the vinegar all over the potatoes. And then you want this to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so once this is cooled, then we're going to add our mayo. Now for this recipe, you just want to use Hellmans mayo. That's what I'm using. You can use Miracle Whip if you want to, but we're just going straight Hellmans mayo. That's it. All of the measurements will be in the description once the video is done, and you guys will see all the measurements. So we're going to add right here, this is 1.5 cups of mayo. And then from there, we just want to hit it with a little bit of cracked black pepper. A little bit of salt. And here you want to use a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Not Grey Poupon, not stove ground mustard, none of that stuff. Just yellow mustard. All right, and this is the key ingredient to this potato salad is celery seed. It gives it, I never knew, but it gives it a great flavor, trust me. So after you add your celery seed, then you just want to go ahead and mix everything up. And then for a little bit of crunch, we're going to add some diced scallion or green onions. Some people want to put pickle relish, sweet relish, or whatever the case may be. You can play around with it however you want. I just go ahead and add the green onions to mine. So once the green onions are added, you just want to give this a good little mix. And then you can plate it in whatever bowl you want. Now, as we know, potato salad gets better over the days. So after about 1 or 2 days in the refrigerator, the flavor just intensifies. And then once everything's mixed, it looks like this. And then you can plate it up, put it in a nice little bowl, add some paprika to the top of it. You can slice some eggs, put it on top. Or if you want to chop your eggs up and put it in the potato salad, you can do that too. Let me know how it is. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. It's What the Fork.